Hello, lovely students. Welcome to today's class. Do you know what's the most important part of learning English is? Yes, it's a vocabulary. What is this? This is a slide. What is this? This is a roller coaster. This is a roller coaster. What is this? This is a Ferris wheel. This is a Ferris wheel. What is this? This is a carouse. This is a carouse. Household things. What is this? This is a safety pin. This is a safety pin. This is a soap. This is a shower. This is a bathtub. These are shopping bags. These are shopping bags. What is this? This is a balance scale. What is this? This is a shopping cart. What is this? This is a razor. And this is a comb. And last one, this is a plunger. This is a plunger. Action word. What are they doing? He is taking a bath. He is sleeping. He is meditating. He is standing. He is doing cartwheel. He is kneeling. He is running. He is playing handball. He is riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. Now, do you know what are they doing? Let's see. Rock climbing, juggling, golf, horse racing, fencing, skiing. What is he doing? Snowboarding, parachuting, rowing, surfing, water polo, swimming. He is swimming. Nature and weather. Rainbow, bubbles, ocean wave, spiral, tornado, lightning, droplet, water drop, call of a